Hello everyone, welcome in our video project. Today we are going to shed light on one of the famous and notable figure in neuroscience and psychology named Eric Kandel. Eric Kandel, the Nobel Prize holder for psychology in the year 2000, Kandel grew up as a refugee boy in New York after his family fled from Nazi control in Vienna in 1939 to become one of the world's leading neuroscientists. He did a lot of research on a small sea slug called aplysia, through which he explained how memories are made and stored. Thus, Kandel's research on changes in the connections between the cells in the brain has advanced the understanding of learning and memory significantly. His findings are important in the field of neuroscience and have possible prospects for the development of therapeutic approaches to various cerebral diseases. It is time to praise the magnificent accomplishments of Eric Kandel together.
Now we talk about his early age and education. Eric Kandel was born on November 7, 1929 in Vienna, Austria, into a middle-class Jewish family. His early childhood was marked by the vibrant cultural and intellectual atmosphere of Vienna during the interwar period. However, his life took a dramatic turn with the rise of the Nazi regime. In 1938, when Kandel was just 9 years old, the Nazis annexed Austria in an event known as the Anschluss. The Kandel family experienced significant anti-Semitic persecution, and Eric witnessed the destruction of his father's toy store during Kristallnacht, the violent anti-Jewish pogrom in November 1938. This traumatic period left a lasting impact on him. In 1939, to escape the escalating danger, Kandel's family fled to the United States. They settled in Brooklyn, New York, where they started a new life. Despite the challenges of immigration and adjusting to a new country, Kandel excelled in his studies. He attended the Yeshiva of Flatbush, a Jewish day school, before moving on to Erasmus Hall High School. Kandel's interest in science and workings of human mind emerged during his high school years, setting the stage for his future career in neuroscience. His early experiences, marked by the loss and trauma of his family's displacement, influenced his later work and his desire to understand the human brain and behavior. His work on changes in brain cell connections has significant impact the study of learning and memory and hold promise for developing therapies for cerebral diseases. In 1952, he attended New York University Medical School, where he developed a keen interest in psychiatry and the science of memory, eventually leading to his groundbreaking research and Nobel Prize in Psychology or Medicine in 2000.
Career and major achievements. Eric Kandel began his career with the investigation of the process of memory formation in cells of the brain. He started with sea slugs since they take over large neurons that can easily be worked on. In the case of these cells, his experiments explained how the cells alter and transform. This is significant when learning or remembering events. Kandel's work involved biology and psychology. His work provided the basis for the current understanding of the brain. Eric Kandel has made many remarkable discoveries in science, which has benefited neuroscience in a very big way. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Psychology or Medicine in the year 2000 for his findings on how memories are formed in the brain of the man. Understanding of memory was not only advanced, but also new horizons were revealed to treat memory illness, inclusive of Alzheimer's disease. Kandel's love for the brain endures to this date as he motivates scientists globally. Therefore, his impact on neuroscientific research is great. Contribution to psychology. Eric Kandel, also known as Hans, imported the way memories are formed and can be remembered in the field of psychology. He employed sea slugs and then also turned to mammals to understand how our brains preserve memory at a molecular level. Kandel proved that for remembering things, changes in the relation between nerve cells, which are determined by our experience, are essential. His work advanced the study of memory and associates perceptions with functional psychological theories on how the human mind functions. Thus, Kandel's work keep going to influence the same ideology provided in the modern day study of psychology and neuroscience.
Overall, the fact that such a young refugee finally turns into the Nobel Prize winner is very encouraging, and it's worth talking more about Eric Kandel. This is refreshing, nothing his achievements, and remembering the importance of research is enhancing existence.